Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from opening apps on your Android phone. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now in here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now in this menu, you'll need to select this choose default apps option. Now here, scroll down and tap on opening links. Now in this menu, make sure that the open link in apps option is disabled. Additionally, tap on this instant apps option. Now make sure this is disabled as well. Now go back to the previous menu. Now you will need to find the app that Google Chrome keeps opening. So let's say Google Chrome keeps opening the Amazon app, but if you don't want that, simply tap on it and make sure to disable this open supported links option. You will need to do this for all the apps. So for instance, if Chrome keeps opening YouTube as well, you can scroll down to find YouTube, tap on it and disable this toggle. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.